Following a major earthquake, there's always an increased risk of fire breakout due to damaged gas lines or electrical systems. Passive Firestop systems are used to prevent the spread of smoke and flames and help the people to escape the building. The important question is now, how do Firestop systems work after a seismic event? So therefore it's really important that these systems are also tested to withstand the movement. But it's not only during a seismic event that Firestop is subject to movement, there are also other causes. Expansion of the pipes, slab deflection, vibrations in the building, and water hammer.
Hilti and other companies in the industry, together with independent bodies, have come up with a new standard to design and test Firestop products against these challenging situations. All these types of movements have been foreseen in the new ASTM standard E3037 for through penetrations. This complements the existing standard ASTM E1966 for fire-rated joints.
Hilti is a pioneer in offering comprehensive solutions for Firestop applications that maintain their performance after movement or earthquakes.
Our preformed engineering solutions have been extensively tested and outperform all traditional caulk and walk solutions.
These preformed devices are fast to install and simple to inspect. These new tests allow us to ensure the Firestop systems withstand movement while continuing to provide their fire-stopping performance. All this information is of significant importance for designers, specifiers and building owners.